get started. Mixing stick. Silicone soap molds. Mixing cup. Color. Fragrance. Clear glycerin soap cubes. Heating tray. What is glycerin? Glycerin is made from vegetables or nut oils. Glycerin is used in soap because the bubbles stick like glue to water, oil, and dirt, all at the same time. This allows the water coming out of your tap to grab the dirt and oils on your skin, and then washes it away down the drain. Have an out, warm up the soap cubes until they're liquid. Carefully add a little bit of color to the mixing cup. And add 5 to 8 drops of fragrance. Mix it until it's combined. Choose 2 molds and pour the mixture into it. Allow 15 minutes to harden and cool. That's it, it's done. Okay, now go wash your hands with your new soap. Coconut.